We're going to be looking at the refining process, which is the culmination of a lot of miners' hard work. What happens here is the loaded preg solution comes into the refinery. Once the gold is plated onto the steel wool, it's washed off with a pressure washer. The resultant sludge is then run through a filter press. The precip then is fluxed. The purpose of the flux is to absorb the impurities that's in with the precious metals. So then the precip is unloaded with the furnace auger into the furnace. We use induction furnaces, and we melt at about 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the metal is molten and uniform, they'll start to pour the bars off. And to do that, they'll pour into, we use 1,000-ounce Doré bar molds. They'll pour the bars full. Once the pouring is complete, they'll wait for the bars to cool, and at that point, they'll invert the bar molds, knock the bars out of the bar molds, and then they go into a cleaning process. We use a bar cleaner. So it's an automated system. It uses steel shot. Once that's complete, we weigh the bars and we basically identify them using a barcode, and then they're shipped off to a third-party refinery for further purification. The gold is used in everyday life, things like your cell phone, airbags in your vehicles. There's many industrial uses, military uses for gold. Thanks for taking the time for watching and learning how gold is processed.